Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add hatch patterns in AutoCAD. First, open the AutoCAD web version or the desktop app on your computer. Once the software is open, go ahead and open your drawing file where you want to add the hatch. Now before adding a hatch, you need a closed boundary. This is very important. A hatch only works inside a fully closed shape. You can draw a rectangle, a circle, or any shape, but make sure all the lines connect properly. Use the drawing tools to create your shape on the canvas. After you have your closed boundary, go to your keyboard and type the letter H. This will bring up the hatch command. You will see hatch options appear. Select hatch from the list. Next, click on the properties panel. Here you can control how your hatch will look. You will see different types like solid, user-defined, and gradient. Choose the type you want to use. If you select gradient, you can choose between two colors or a single color. You can also set the colors based on your design needs. If you choose solid, the area will be filled with one color. If you choose user-defined, you can create line patterns. Now click inside the closed boundary you created earlier. Press enter and your hatch will be applied to that area. You can adjust the hatch style later if needed. Keep in mind, if you want to add custom hatch patterns, you will need the AutoCAD desktop app version. Thanks for watching.